What's causing my car to rev high by itself? Your car is likely revving on its own due to issues with air intake, vacuum leaks, bad IACV valve, dirty MAF sensor, dirty throttle body, fuel delivery, dirty fuel injectors, clogged fuel filter. Or sensor, control system malfunctions, faulty throttle position sensor, AQ problems. A mechanic can diagnose the specific cause by checking for air leaks, inspecting sensors and valves, or performing a smoke test. Vacuum leaks. Unmetered air entering the engine through a leak in a vacuum hose or gasket can confuse the engine's computer, leading to increased fuel and revving. Faulty idle control valve, IACV. This valve regulates the amount of air that bypasses the throttle plate during idle. If it's stuck open or dirty, it can cause inconsistent idle and revving. Dirty throttle body. The throttle plate can become sticky or dirty, causing it to not close fully, leading to too much air entering the engine and higher RPMs. Faulty mass airflow, MAF, sensor. This sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. If it's dirty or malfunctioning, it can provide incorrect data, causing fuel delivery issues. Dirty fuel injectors. If fuel injectors are dirty or clogged, they can deliver fuel inconsistently, leading to unstable engine operation and revving. Faulty sensors. Other sensors, like the throttle position sensor, TPS, or oxygen, O2, sensor, can fail and send incorrect information to the engine's computer. Engine problems. In some cases, issues like cylinder misfires due to bad spark plugs or ignition coils can cause an unstable engine that revs on its own. What to do? Inspect for leaks. Visually check vacuum hoses for cracks or loose connections. Clean sensors and valves. You can try cleaning the MAF sensor and checking the IAC valve for dirt and carbon buildup. Perform a smoke test. A mechanic can use a smoke machine to find small vacuum or intake air leaks. Consult a mechanic. If you can't identify the issue, it's best to have a qualified mechanic diagnose the problem.